everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so have you actually used eyes on your face before? Doing mixing it with these other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you? Like, it's going to be amazing. Yeah, a natural home remedy ice cube. Oh my goodness, like the effect of this ice cube is wonderful. It's going to take away years from your age. It's going to glow your skin, make you look beautiful, make you look super young. Okay, so let me take you right into this video so you can see all of the ingredients, how I'm going to be freezing it, how I'm going to be applying it, and what it's going to do on my skin. Okay, so let's go. So guys, you want to look younger, you want to look super gorgeous, you want to look beautiful without makeup, try this remedy, guys. Yeah, we're gonna be needing cucumber. Now cucumber is an age-long remedy that helps to remove wrinkles, and it helps to rejuvenate and make your skin look plump and beautiful. Yeah, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna cut it. You're going to we're gonna blend it. So we're gonna be putting it into this blender and blend. You can decide to crate it, or you can even pound it however you want. Yeah, okay guys, so it is actually properly blended, and now I'm gonna be grabbing a bowl. Okay, so this is it. And then we're going to equally be needing banana. Now banana is a great moisturizing property to the skin. It helps to make the skin super duper young, and it leaves your skin super duper plump. So I'm gonna be blending it with the same blender. Now if I don't put a little water, it's not going to blend really well. Alright, so I would have to pour that into this. Oh my god, this is really good. You want to look younger? You got a solution, guys. So the mixture of banana and cucumber is great, guys. Okay, so the next ingredient which we need is oatmeal. Okay, so I actually turning my oatmeal into this baby pig container. Yeah, so okay, so oatmeal is great for the skin. It helps to tighten up your skin and give you that glow, guys. Yeah, and it equally helps to maintain an even clear skin, reducing the size of a large pores. Yeah, so this is it, and you mix it really well so that all of the ingredients can be mixed together. Yeah. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is actually very important for this, is rice. Now, using rice here will help to even out and lighten up your skin, and it also helps to reduce the size of your large pores. It will therefore make your skin super duper smooth and young equally. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing this all up together. And then the last ingredient which is very important, is tomato. Now, tomato helps to remove all unwanted hair. It helps to remove pigmentation, rashes, spots, and age-related problems. Okay, so we're going to be cutting that, and so we blend. Okay guys, so that is it. And now we'll have to turn it into this mix. Wow, what a great mixture. Guys, if you want to look super duper young, try this. All of the vitamins are here, and when it touches your skin, it's a bomb. It's gonna be like a bomb. Like, it's gonna make you look so young and so hydrated. Okay, so using Vaseline here is optional. You can choose to use Vaseline, but if you don't want to use Vaseline, you can use coconut oil. But I'm not going to be putting in Vaseline because there's enough ingredient here, and we do not need the Vaseline for now. So for this, guys, you can actually use this at least 2 times in a week to look super duper young and, you know, really smooth. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing you do is to grab an ice cube container, and then you put this in. So I'm actually trying to level it so that when it's blocked, it's not going to like gum each other. Okay, now we're gonna go put it inside the freezer. Okay guys, so this is it, and I kept it open so something fell on it. That's why you see this color here. This color is not among. Okay, so this is it. It's so frozen and it's strong. This particular one is really strong, and what you're gonna do now is to just do it like this, and all of it is out. Oh my goodness, like, I'm loving this. I'll show you that because I'm going to apply it and show you. This is so lovely. This is super amazing. Okay, so if you think that you are actually looking old, why not give this a go? Okay, make sure you spread this onto your face, your forehead. Okay, make sure you do it in a circular motion. Yeah, in case you're having wrinkles around there. Now the thing is that even if you're not having wrinkles, why not give this a go? Yeah, because they say prevention is better than cure. So you apply it like that, and you're gonna be feeling the chillness on your skin. You're gonna be feeling the chillness. So I'm actually looking at my face so I can actually apply this very well. Okay, otherwise I will be looking at you guys straight. So after rubbing this all over, then especially those places in which you are experiencing some challenges, you would be massaging it equally on a circular motion. Actually, a circular motion. This is actually going to help to remove all excessive oil and tighten up your skin, firm it up, and make your skin look glowing and beautiful. So after you've actually massaged it, I would recommend you actually use the eyes again, and then you walk it through. Okay, now I've only used 2 and I have 4 left. So if you want to store it, you can still take it back to the freezer and it stays there. Yeah, nothing would happen to it. It's not going to get bad whatsoever. It's not going to get bad at all. So you rub this through your face, and this is really chilling. It's going to even out your skin and make your... Okay guys, so after doing this, then you can actually wait for a little while, for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Let the coolness relax, like let the coolness get inside your skin, and after which the coolness has actually gone inside your skin, then you can, you know, go wash it off. So that's it guys. If you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because it is so amazing, and the coolness of it is, you know, it's wonderful. It's actually, you know, making my skin look so cool, so calm, and really beautiful. Like, I'm loving this already. Okay, so if you do find this video interesting, don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe, share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.